Yes, sir. Basket is good. No. Gallion. Gallion. Yes, sir. For two. Jibel. No. Yes, sir. For Gallion. Gallion against Interior. Gallion. Nakawala. Yes, sir. Why not? For two. Gallion. Gallion, umikot. Ang ganda naman nun. Yes, sir. Gallion. Alam ko na kung saan nagmana yan. Personal foul. Team foul. Third team foul. Gallion, umikot. Pero may foul tayo na nakita. Yes, sir!
Take it! One shot!
Bang! 4-3!
Penalty na.
Sub!
Ang best player, sino best player natin? Si Gallion.